Hi, I am Rishabh Soni. This is a Power BI dashboard I built to analyze DTDC Courier activity for July 2025. The data for this project was sourced from the official DTDC website and supplemented with relevant insights from Statista. On the right hand, you can see a quick overview of the dataset, including key attributes like origin, destination, package, weight, pricing, and modes of transport. Let's dive into the dashboard. At the top, I have added 3 KPI cards to highlight key metrics: total revenue generated, total number of couriers sent, and average package weight. On the left, there's a scatter plot that maps package weight against price. As expected, we observe a near linear relationship indicating price sales proportional with weight. Next, we have two pie charts. The first displays the relationship between the sender and the recipient, and the second illustrates the distribution by mode of transport. Surface mode clearly dominates, pointing to the cost-effective logistics over speed. Then there's a bar chart that breaks down the preferred mode of payment. Cash continues to be the most used option. Based on personal experience and user behavior, this might be due to inconsistent UPI performance at DTDC offices, something that could be addressed through better digital infra. Towards the bottom, two donut charts represent the volume of couriers by sender city and recipient city. These visuals help pinpoint the major courier traffic zones and logistic hotspots. Looking ahead, I plan to update this dashboard regularly with the latest available data. I also aim to integrate DTDC's API to automate the data refreshes and improve real-time visibility. This was my DTDC Courier Insights dashboard built using Power BI. Thank you.